Hey guys, welcome to Lognuts. Today I'll be showing you how to turn on your flash notifications on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn on your flash notifications on your iPhone, first open up the settings of your iPhone. After opening up your settings of your iPhone, guys, you want to scroll down until you can see the accessibility option available for us just below the home screen or just above the wallpaper option. Tap on that accessibility, and from over here, guys, scroll down until you can find the audio visual option available for us just above the subtitles and captioning. You can see there is the audio visual option for us. Now in order to turn on our flash notifications, let's tap on that audio slash visual, and from over here, guys, scroll down and you can see for the visual there is the LED flash for alerts. Tap on that. And now to turn on your flash notifications for your on your iPhone, if it's turned off, turn it back on and all of your flash notification of for all alerts will be enabled. Whereas you can also use the flash while unlocked or the flash in silent mode. You can choose to enable them both or disable them both from over here, but I will just be enabling them. And with that being said, guys, this is how you turn on the flash notifications on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.